do something in the water. Okay?
Kung masakit nga.
Try this.
Kaya ano, mabasag yung doon. Lalabas na ako dito sa agad.
Can you drop dead in the at the bottom of the pool?
No.
I'll show you.
Yo, nag-enjoy sa agaan ha. Dapat lamig. Ha? Lamig din. Kaya ito walang AC. Sabi? Lamig kaya sa agaan. Ang sarap na tulog yun. Sarap na tulog po pa.
Ayan! Si Jem.
Naalala mo pre ha? Ito ha? Pre, mga may revelasyon ka.
Kaalaman na to.
Naalala ko. Pare, wag mo nang isipin yung mga nakaraan. Pass is pass. Pass is pass, hindi na ba pwedeng balikan?
Let's go. What about the today?
Move on ka na, pre. Move on?
Oo.
Wala pa kapag move on ka. May nangyari ba, pre? Papakalunod na ako, pre! Parang ano meron bang mahirap kalimutan? Papakalunod na ako, tayo ako malunod ah. Kaya meron bang mahirap kalimutan? Parang walang namumuo sa inyong Wala naman namumuo namumuo bata. Bata batuta.
I told you, drop dead in the bottom of the pool. You don't feel it.
I'm a short breather.
Release all the water, all the air in your body.
Kasi siya.
I'll show you. I'll show you. No. You bring it up only for 1 second. Okay? You release all the water in your body like this. I'll show you. Marunong na agad to, no? Alam niya pag walang hangin ang utak mo, mamatay. I'll show you. Okay? You release all the water, all the air. Wow! Like this. Otherwise, you'll float.
So you ask about the game.
Which one?
The game in PSP. Para you could tell the story.
Stop holding your nose.
Tingnan mo, pre. Naka-uniform lang tayo ng basketball. Naka-outing na tayo.
Baby, you don't have to worry of the rain, no need to hurry. Super ganda, no? Alam, oh my God.